Bavala inyanga yaboma ngombatha izambatho ezinzima. Indlela zonke eziqaliswe kumaspalada weTshwane. Aboma abathengisa ukudla endleleni bathi bayawukhulisa umnotho wedorobheli kodwa baphathwa ngendlela efaneleko begodi abahlonitshwa. Umary Ngema ngomunye waboma abathengisa ukudla naye uhlanganyele naboma abajagalako. Umary uziphilisa ngokuthengisa ukudla solo athoma ngo-2009 ukuba lapha. Uthi bekusebenze kahle khulu la. Kodwa solo kwafika i-COVID-19 izinto zimbi. Ibulele ibhizinisi yakhe ingogwana le. Uma lo uthemba bona umaspalada weTshwane uzabasiza. Kodwa ulila ngokuthi akabatshetshi.
There's no another income at my home except this business. All the family is here. My son completed the college last year. He's also here. So there is no business at all because the people are not coming to work. They are working from home. So all those customers are gone.
Aboma bathengisa lapha ababhadela idorobho leTshwane imali engange-265 ngenyanga ekuyincwadi ebanikela imvumo yokuthengisa kunye ne-365 yelicense yokuthengisa. Ungemuthi babhadelela ilize lapha.
If they want to move me here, they won't come and explain to me, we want to do this and this, so please, can't you find another spot that will be suitable for you? They just move you and put where they want, not where you will find the customers.
Aboma bakathabi nangokuthuliswa komnyanya waboma othuliswe lokubanje kupheleni kwenyanga le. Batsho bebafuna ukuveza inlilo zabo emnyanyeni loyo ngokuthi nabo bayawukhulisa umnotho wedorobheli. Bafuna ukusizwa ngemali, bathole nensetshenziswa ezifaneleko.
They must recognize us as informal traders. They must know we are there for the city. In the morning, every day, Monday to Saturday, we go to the big market and buy in the big market. We make the city to be proud of us, but the city don't make us to be proud of us. The only thing that they say to us, they say we are stupid as we are selling in the street, and we are not stupid.
Ncwadi yabo yenlilo bayinikela usomkhandlu wezokuthuthukiswa komnotho eTshwane. Bamkhumbuza umaspalada bona nabo balima indima ekuvuleni amathuba wemisebenzi kunye nokuthuthukiseni umnotho weTshwane.
We are in the midst of a global pandemic, and that's if you look at the COVID, the Delta variant that's taking the globe by storm. We cannot, unfortunately, cannot allow for such an event to continue within our city, and that is why we rejected their application to the Economic Development Department for us to support them.
Enye incwadi yenlilo bayise e-Union Buildings.